Bye.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to take one of my older wigs. I've had this wig since 2019. I believe it is either a 10, I think it's a 10-inch. I don't really remember if it's 10, but I believe it's a 10-inch. I bought this wig from Amazon for my birthday back in 2019, but I didn't wear it when I just bought it. It took me some time to, wear it. So given that I've had this wig for a while, I decided I wanted to switch it up. And I haven't worn a bang in quite some time now, so I decided to turn my closure wig into a bang wig. So this is pretty easy to do. Yeah, it's pretty easy to do, and it's very straightforward. So if you would like to see how I transform my busty ass wig to this here, keep on watching. Hey guys, so let's jump into this tutorial. Alright, so this is what the wig is looking like. I know it is a mess, and we definitely do not want that. So the first thing I did was to pop that wig onto my head, make sure the placement was alright, and then I'm going to go in and detangle my wig to remove any knots or bumps. Once the wig is fully detangled, I begin parting my bang. So this part, it varies from wig to wig and personal preference. So I'm just basically playing around with where I want my bang to end and how clean I want that part to be, even though it will not be visible in the end. So this is where you definitely would need to take into consideration how thick or thin you want that bang to be. I decided to add a little bit more hair just to give me that little extra volume. Once that is done, I'm gonna go in with my flat iron and basically flat iron the entire wig, and then we will catch up after. So now I'm basically just trimming my wig a little bit, and I'm just ensuring that the slope on the front is even and there aren't any hairs that's out of place. I then comb through it just to make sure that it's to my liking, and then I go ahead and do the other side. now going in with my hot comb to make sure that the previous part that I had in the front of this closure isn't showing, because of course it is a bang, and I just played around with it a little bit to see how it felt to me, how it looked to me before I went in and did my cuts. So this is just me now cutting the bang. Guys, I would suggest you cut it longer, and if it's not to your liking, then you can always cut off a little bit more hair. But one thing you cannot regrow is fake hair, so just keep that in mind whenever you are cutting your bangs. So right now I'm just playing around with the wig to see how I want my bang to look. You can definitely do this, and I would suggest doing this, just playing around with the bang to see how you want the placement to be. If you would like that to have the ends be a little longer, you can always do that, but just have fun with it, guys. Just play around with it. Before I flat ironed the bang, I parted it into 3 sections, and then I did section by section just to ensure that I had a smooth consistency. Here I am just removing any excess hair that is in my way and just basically customizing the wig to my liking. So that is definitely what I would suggest that you do. Today's video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Like, what are you doing? It is free, okay? It's free and it does help my channel out. Also, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section. So subscribe, guys, join the Jae Squad, share my videos if you're not into hair content but you want to support me, to people who you know might enjoy this type of content. As always, thank you so much for being here with me. I will catch you guys next time. Bye. Okay, I'm back for a second. The lashes that I'm wearing are by Pinksio Lashes, well, Pinksio Beauty on Instagram. I am wearing D-008, and I do have a try on with them. So if you'd like to see how I did that, go ahead onto my main page, my main channel page, and it's not too far down, and check it out. Thanks.